Welcome, writers! Welcome to my virtual classroom. Today, in the Writers Workshop lesson number 4, our teaching point is going to be drawing a repertoire of strategies. Before we start, remember that you need to have your copybook, your pencil, and your eraser, and a comfortable place for you to write. We have been seeing many strategies for generating ideas. I could check that in the previous lesson that you did an excellent job with finding ideas from your heart, then taking one special place and thinking of a special moment and drawing a lot of feelings. So very good. As you realized, writers don't have only one strategy to come up with ideas to write. Writers have different ways to find ideas for true stories. Let's remember which are these bunch of strategies. To find ideas for true stories, we have been thinking of a person who is important to you, a place, an event, then you listed the small moments, you chose one, and you started writing a small story. So, what would happen if we run out of ideas? Suddenly we have no more ideas and we don't know what to write about. Oh my God. What do? We are going to, if we get stuck and we can't write, you're going to go back to the strategies we have seen up to now. You are going to go back to your heart. You can go back to your special moments, okay? And you can go back to the feelings and those special moments that you took from that feeling, okay? Now, once you choose your moment, you start writing as much as you can. How? I will show you. Here are some examples of some entries that I did. So let's see. First, my first CrossFit competition. Remember that this was, I took it from a feeling when I felt nervous. And this was a time when I felt nervous. CrossFit is my favorite sport. I remember my first CrossFit competition. It was in a hot December day on a Friday afternoon. Some friends were with me that day, and my mom went to see me. I felt very nervous because it was the first time I did this. The place was very big and my opponents were really good. I also wrote when I went to Dos Salmones in Maitencillo. One summer, I was in Maitencillo with my family and I wanted to go to a restaurant called Dos Salmones. We sat in that place and ordered our lunch. I asked for a burrito, and one of my daughters did too. I love burritos. My dish was delicious. But suddenly, I saw my daughter shouting. I asked what happened, and she said, "Mom, look at my lettuce. It has a worm." Immediately, we called the owner of the restaurant, and they said that they were very sorry and that this would never happen again. I also took from another girl from another school, okay, that her feeling was that she felt very angry. And why? Because her brother bit her back. The time my brother bit my back. One day I was having a play date with my friends, Lily and Kathleen. We were having fun, and then I wanted a toy. My brother wanted the same toy. We fought and fought. My brother was punching the ground when I got under him and then chomp, he bit my back. Then it was time to say goodbye. So now, guys, this is going to be your time to write, okay? You can come back to this video every time you need, okay? So let's see what I'm going to have to do. You're going to find in your presentation in Google Classroom this, where you are going to write a small moment that you can take it from your ideas, from what we have written, or maybe you have a new complete idea, okay? And you are going to start writing as much as you can. At least you're going to have to write 2, okay? Go to Google Classroom and good luck. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.